Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Hyundai i10 1 litre SE. This car's got daytime running lights, it's finished in Stardust grey metallic paint, body coloured door mirrors, got the body coloured door handles as well. 14-inch steel wheels with Hyundai wheel trims, front near side wheel, inside the car you got a charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the patterned centre panels and light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, so inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, and this car is equipped with the space saver spare wheel. Moving round onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear wheel. Inside the car, on the driver's door, you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. On the dashboard you've got the controls to turn off the traction control. Centre console, there's a 12-volt plug-in for accessories. This car's done 21,449 miles. USB auxiliary port, another 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Manual air conditioning, and on the audio side you've got the FM, AM and DAB radio stations. You've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device and have hands-free phone operation, so controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. On the other side of the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. Moving back outside the car again. Driver's side front wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.